Hey, I want to talk to you about this new Extreme SSD portable drive, 1 terabyte. I just got this and the thing is quite awesome. Check it out. What comes in the box is the drive itself, which is very small and handy. Comes with a little clip for your belt, which is kind of cool. USB-C cable, and also adapter for USB 3. So that's kind of cool. This thing is awesome, super fast, lightweight, strong, waterproof, and shock resistant. I'm going to show you how it works real fast. Let's go. First thing you want to know if you have one of these drives, if you have a newer Mac Studio, you want to make sure you put them in the back, plug it in the back, and the USB-C in the back. The front ports aren't as fast as the back, so make sure you put them in the back ports. That's number one tip. Number two, let's check the speed test on this. You need to format your drive, so go to Applications, and you just want to scroll down. You want to go to Utilities, click on Utilities, and Disk Utility. Open up Disk Utility and select your drive, and just hit Erase and Partition, and also that's like that, and just hit. You want to really make sure you do Mac OS Extended Journal. That's the best speed for this drive for your Mac. All right, and after you do that, let's check the speed test. What you want to do is just go to your target disk here, select target drive. Once you click target drive, just go to your SSD drive, just like you see here, and then we're going to run a test. You ready? Let's see how fast it is. All right, running around 850 megabits per second for the write, and the read around 722. A little slower than it says. It says it's supposed to be about 1,000 up and 1,000 down roughly, but it is what it is. It runs only as fast as it can handle it. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the review. I love this drive. I definitely recommend it if you're going to do anything at all with processing speed, if you're going to do any video files, 4K, 8K. I think it'll handle everything. It'll work perfectly, and I absolutely love it. Hey, thanks for watching.